Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Reddit app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Reddit and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your